This is my 91 Accord coupe, turbocharged and intercooled engine, fully built, forged steel rods, 4340 stainless, ARP rod bolts, forged Aries aluminum pistons, 8:3:1 compression ratio, 40 thousandths over. Had to have it bored, VTEC head, F22B1 head, all kinds of other stuff about the engine that you can see my listing for. IHI RHB6 turbo off a Isuzu 3-liter diesel. Custom downpipe, atmospheric dump right there going into the 2.5 inch all the way back to the exhaust. Custom turbo oiling system, velocity stack like intake for the turbo, top mount intercooler fed through a hood scoop, turbo excess blow off valve, 2¼ inch charge piping all the way through, external manual boost controller mount on the radiator, CSI Pro Comp ignition, golden eagle vacuum manifold, 2 map sensors hooked up, got the GM 3-bar as well as the stock if you want to switch it up just for long trips or whatever if you like that kind of deal. External coil. Sorry it's so dirty, didn't have a chance to wash it today. Got some rock chips on the front. Someone decided it'd be a good idea to back into my car and not leave me a note or anything. Got 16x7 Motegi MR7s with Kumos in the front, Yokohamas in the back, M3 mirrors going down, wheels in the back, the typical CB7 death hold rust spot, TYC Elegante taillights, the 2.5 inch flow through fart can, shaved emblem, shaved antenna, the other spot on the back of the car, back to the rims, going back to the front, and that is the walk around, going into the interior, revamped gauges, 8,500 miles on the current engine, we got boost, EGT, oil pressure, super short throw shifter, stage 4 clutch just put in, got an external fan switch. Yeah, interior is in really good condition. Seats are good. There's only one little tear on the back, right there behind the seat belt. Other than that, just dirty.